Gimme, come on.
What do I do with this? Jenny! Oh, it's the heavens alive. What's through here?
Oh, this is. How many times do this spawn right there? That man. Put him in the coffin. You gonna run. I'm gonna let you do it then. Get out the coffin. Oh nah, if you thaw it out, buddy, I'm not worried about you. Nah, go ahead, finish using your lock. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. My bad, go ahead. Oh, you better hurry up, cause we got the trapper down here. Hurry up, bro, stop playing. We got 2 killers down here, man. Stop playing. Get up out of here. Let's get up out of here, man. Boy, I ain't stunting you. What up, Johnny? Boy, what you doing, man? What you doing, Johnny? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Johnny don't know what he doing. Oh, my man, Leland gone. What? That mean the fuse is on this side, bro. Would you open the door? Oh, we. So we all went up here with no fuse, huh? I got an idea.
I have to watch myself.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't know who I just ran. Ooh wee. Let me just go ahead and squeeze right through here. Johnny can't be waiting on me on the other side, can he? Whoa, no, that's Bubba waiting on me on the other side. Man, I'm tired of playing with y'all too. Bro, I'm tired of playing with y'all too. I'm not about to keep doing this. Man, we not about to keep doing this, bro. Oh, it's bet. Bet, I'm out. Bet. I'm up out of here. GG. No hit done. GG's.